Hello, everyone. Hello, hello. Today is Tuesday, December 2nd, and just trying something new here. I Got Credit. I appreciate you guys for registering. I appreciate you guys for joining us. This is something that we are going to be doing moving forward. We kind of reversed it a little bit. So we used to do Zoom calls for our clients like years ago. We're going to start it back up, but we figure why not do Zoom calls for people that are looking to sign up, that have questions, and see where it goes. You know what I mean? This is definitely something that we've never done before, a Zoom call for people that are not clients. So we figure why not do it? So just to give you a little background, my name is Jose Rodriguez. I do own a company called Got Credit. We do have clients all over the nation. Previously, we had a sales team, and one of the reasons why we decided to do the Zoom calls is only because credit repair laws change all the time, and unfortunately, that's something that we have to abide by. So there's a rule called the telemarketing sales rule. It's a little weird. Credit repair companies are considered what's called high risk. So credit repair companies unfortunately get the bad rap when it comes to merchant accounts, when it comes to banking, when it comes to certain things. So due to the TSR rule, they make it really hard for credit repair companies to talk to people before they enroll. So speaking with my attorney down in Florida, we figured, you know what, let's do the Zoom calls rather than just telling people, hey, just go to a link and sign up, and we'll talk to you later. This actually I like. People get to see me. Before, like I said, people only got to see me when they were clients, or like if I was at a seminar or something like that. So this will actually bring a really good personal touch before you even enroll in the program. This is going to be recorded. I am going to go over some things of our program and then leave it open for Q&A, depending on what questions you have, to see if maybe we'll be able to answer any questions that you do have. So that way, you have a nice warm and fuzzy before you join the program. I'm going to share my screen a little bit and then pretty much leave it for Q&A. So if you didn't receive an email from me and you just enrolled, the great thing is that right now is a great time to enroll, because I will be doing a promotion that I will be explaining to you before I let you guys know to sign up. Our program is $100 a month. It's never changed. I mean, our program has been $100 a month since 2018, 19, even before that. It's been $100 a month for a very long time, and we just offer different products and different services in that program. We did do pay per delete at one point. We've done the academy at one point. We focused on business credit at one point, and I think the biggest thing that we've always have come back to is always just focusing on credit repair. I think that's the biggest thing is, with business credit, there's people out, like there's a company, I'm not going to say the name, but there was a company that just got sued by the FTC for like $40 million, probably even more, because what they were doing, they were charging people a percentage of what business credit cards they were getting them. And I've always been an advocate of, listen, if you're going to do business credit, I'll teach you how to get your credit to a point to where you could just apply for the business credit cards yourself. You don't got to pay anybody a percentage for personal or business credit. And I think that is the biggest thing that people miss when they join the wrong program, is how much is somebody squeezing out of you and what are you really paying? Even when you enter a debt settlement company, well, I just met a lady last night at the supermarket. She stopped me. She said, "Hey, you're the guy from Got Credit, right?" And I'm like, "Yeah." She's like, "I got a question. I'm paying this debt settlement company this, and blah, blah, blah." And I'm like, "Well, you do know that you can settle the debt on your own, just like how you can repair the credit on your own. The only difference is when you fix your credit with us, it's $100 a month, doesn't go up. When you enter an agreement with a debt settlement company, what you're doing is you're paying them whatever they save you, and you're paying monthly, and that money is just sitting in a pot until the accounts really go negative. So that's different from a debt management program. So let's say if you do have high credit card debt, you can enter a debt management program. They'll stop the interest, they'll lower the interest, but the cards do not get charged off or negative. You just keep making the monthly payment. The cards do get closed, but your credit doesn't get tanked. That's for credit cards that are already open. But if you have charge offs, the collections, things like that. You can just call the companies yourself and settle it on your own and avoid having to pay anyone of what they save you, because you can do that yourself. And that's actually one of the things that we actually have in our online resource center, or scripts, and we have help, and we have a credit coach that's going to guide you with teaching you how to settle that debt. Okay, so my brother Joe's on here. We have a total of I think it's 5 or 6 credit coaches here at Got Credit that are on the phone with you. They call you, they let you know what's going on. We don't have virtual assistants. We don't have people in other countries. This is a family built business. Everybody here is pretty much family, and we'll guide you on what needs to be done, because we actually have clients that don't have anything negative on their credit report. We have clients that have never had a late payment, have never had a collection, and they have a 600, 700 credit score, and they want to know, like, listen, how do I get my credit score to the next level? And they don't want to watch videos. They wanted somebody to look at their credit report every single month, let them know what they can do to increase their credit score, whether it's paying debt down, how to pay it down, getting a loan, getting some credit cards and things like that. So when you enter our program, we are credit repair driven. We are personal credit repair driven. And we do focus on your personal stuff. It doesn't mean that we won't assist you with the business credit, but when it comes to the business credit, we're always going to make sure that your credit is good, because look, at the end of the day, when it does come to business credit, what are some of the things that you want to focus on? Revenue for your business and the proper structure. So as long as you have the proper structure for your business, LLC, EIN, bank account, accountant, things like that, you have your business credit bureau set up, NAV. The next thing is revenue. So if you have good revenue for your business, that's going to give you all the tools you need. Too many times we get a lot of people that come to us and they say, oh, I want to build business credit. I want to build net 30s, but their credit scores are like 500, 550. And understand that when you do build credit with net 30s, you do have to spend some money. So I would rather see you put that money towards your personal credit. Let's get your credit to like 700. So that way, then you're not only applying for net 30s, but you're applying for a $10, $15, $20,000 American Express card, a Chase Ink card, a line of credit, things like that, because it is based off of your personal credit. And then you can use that American Express to make the payment on your net 30. So it's always going to come back to your personal credit. That is always going to be the deciding factor. If you apply for an SBA loan, if you apply for an American Express card, if you apply for a line of credit, your personal credit is always going to be the first thing. But if you're trying to get a vehicle and you're trying to get other things, that's where building business credit is good, because then, you can get a proof of vehicles under your business with no credit check. Ally Financial is one of them, GM Financial. There's a lot of things on there. But I did want to just break down our personal credit program really quick. I'm going to share my screen. And bear with me too, guys. This is the first time I've done a Zoom call, probably like in at least I would say close to 2.5 years. So I'm going to share my screen with you guys. I'm going to kind of show you what our credit repair program is. I'm going to show you pretty much everything that you get while you're in our program. And you can see that what we offer here at Got Credit really is nothing to compare to somebody else. Not because there's that model that says, oh, there's no competition, don't worry. I don't believe in that. I just know that with our program, for the $100 a month that you're going to spend, the max is $1,200 a year. The lady I spoke to last night at the supermarket said she paid somebody $2,500 up front to fix their credit. They didn't do anything and they disappeared. I'm like, it would take me 2 years to charge somebody $2,400. And if you're in our program for 2 years consecutively, it's because you chose to, or because you started having new negative items come up. But it's very rare that somebody's in our program for even 18 months consecutively. Usually we try to get our clients in either 6 to 12 months period. So here's our website. I'm always looking to improve it. I handle my website, so there's always, there's a couple links that unfortunately I'm trying to work on. But this, if you, depending on how you came to us, this is how you would schedule a consultation, which is what you're on right now. And I hold these every Tuesday. And it's pretty cut and dry. You click here to get started, and it'll go through the details of what our program is. We send a speech to all 3 credit bureaus. We handle the mailing. We handle all the processing for you. You get one-on-one coaching. What's great with that is when you enter our program, you'll get a one-on-one credit coach. That means that you're going to get someone that unfortunately is going to hold your hand a little bit, that is going to dissect your credit, that's going to dissect what you have going on, and they're going to pretty much put you on a path to maybe cut out a little bit of habits that you have to help you out. Now, we have clients that come to us, listen, Jose, I don't need all that. Just delete the negative item and let me know when it's done. No problem. We're still going to call you. We're still going to text you, not to be annoying, but just to let you know that we're here with you. And that's going to be done either via text, email, or phone. You do have a client portal, which is great. Debt validation letter. So like, let's say if you do have a collection account, we will actually contact the collection agencies on your behalf. We will issue them what's called the cease and desist. So that way they can stop blowing up your phone. We will have them verify the debt. And we also do direct to creditor disputes, which means that we're also going to dispute it directly with the charge off or the repossession company like Capital One or whatever the case is. And then we do the disputes every 30 to 45 days. And this one has actually been big recently. It's people need letters. Let's say if you're getting a security clearance, if you're going for a job or for an apartment, we actually will give you a credit reference letter to let them know that you're actually working with us. And guys, people have gotten approved for this with apartments or jobs, especially if they're working for government jobs and they need security clearance. Getting a credit reference letter from us, we're not going to hide and say that, oh no, we're not working on your credit. Like, we've actually had jobs email us. The great thing is, though, I'm not sure if you know this, a job or an employer cannot know what your credit score is, but they can know what's on your credit. So the great thing is, if you just have high debt, they'll never know what your credit score is. Okay, but if you are applying for a job and they check your credit, they're not going to know your credit score. So you never have to tell your job your credit score, because they only have a right to your credit report. Okay, and a lot of the times it's not all three of them, depending on which company they're using. So with our credit reference letter, we don't put the credit score on there. We just let them know that we're working towards getting your credit right. And depending on if they need a letter for a specific account, we'll do that too. Okay. And that's pretty much it. I mean, we do have, I'm going to go over the pricing in a little bit. I mean, it's always on our website, 0 down, $100 a month. We do require credit monitoring, which is about $20 a month, because without that, we can't see your credit reports. Unfortunately, no credit repair company actually has the database or the software to pull all 3 credit reports for you on a given basis. So we do have to have a credit monitoring service for you. Now, this is new. Depending on if you've known me for a little bit, if you're watching this and you don't know who I am, or if you've seen me before, this is something that we actually just started. I think it was like Thanksgiving weekend or maybe the week before. We have a 6-month guarantee now. This has never been something that I've ever done. This is something to prove to you guys that we're not just, not that you need me to prove it to you, but just so that way it's a little bit of stamp of approval that if you join my program and nothing gets deleted in 6 months, which has happened before, okay? I'm not going to sit here and say it hasn't, but it's like finding a 4-leaf clover, okay? It's very rare, all right? If nothing is deleted in 6 months of you entering an agreement with us here at Got Credit, we'll either refund you the last 6 months or we'll give you another 6 months of service for free, okay? Not a lot of people will do that. A lot of people do 90 days, 60 days, or whatever the case is. The reason why I'm doing 6 months is because this is not like something that is going to happen overnight, but I want you to be committed. I want you to be committed to the program. And listen, we might get something deleted in the first 2 months, and you're like, Jose, I'm good. No problem. See you later. We've had that. We've had a client sign up. We delete one collection. They're gone in 2 months. No problem. You're good. You're happy. And that's really all that matters. You know what I mean? Is that you're happy at the end of the day, because if you're happy and we're providing a great service, that means that we did everything we could to help you out. So that's just explaining a little bit about what the program is. And like I said, we focus heavily on your personal credit. You will get someone that talks to you and calls you at least every 30 to 45 days. We do have an online resource center that has things about business credit, that has stuff on personal credit applying. But we found that by actually you speaking to someone on the phone, it's going to be better than you watching either a video or you watching something on the internet, which listen, it's great. Sometimes some people work different hours, so the only way they can is by joining one of the videos that we do. but we did not do one Zoom call at all in 2025 with our clients. And we just picked up the phone and we just called you guys incessantly. You know, my dad, the credit OG, who's been here almost a year, actually, it's be a year, December 4th, that he's been working with us. My dad is like a human robot. My dad will probably make at least 70 to 80 phone calls a day. My brother Joe's calling our clients. And even me, Joe, and Steve could not keep up with my dad. I'm like, this guy's just a human robot. But he loves what he does. He was working until like 7 o'clock a little while ago. And this guy that's what we bring here to Got Credit. You're not going to get a virtual assistant. You're not going to get, unfortunately, we had virtual assistants here at Got Credit for a little bit, something that unfortunately just didn't work. We thought it was going to be something good, and it wasn't. You know, I made videos about this in the past. It's on YouTube about it. But you're going to get not only a family here, but we're going to make you feel like your family. We're going to do everything we can to answer your questions. We're going to give you guidance. We're going to look at your credit report. At the end of the day, depending on what you need is what we're going to give you. You know, I can't apply for credit cards for you. I can't pay your debt. I can't, you know, open up your LLC, but we have resources and everything for you to get that done. Okay. So I just wanted to go over that really quick. I am going to open it up for Q&A, but I am going to turn off the recording. If you are watching this on the replay, you can just go to our website at www.gotcredit.com and you can either enroll or you can schedule for another Zoom call. Our program is $100 a month. Okay, there's no payment in 5 days, and you can cancel at any time. You're not, even though you sign an agreement with us, it's not like you have to stay in the program for a year. If you want to be in 2 months, 3 months, 4 months, it really is up to you. So thank you guys so much for watching this. I'm gonna stop the recording and then open it up for Q&A.